Good morning, students. How are you all? Take out your English copy. Today we will do practice exercise 2. Okay, हम कौन सा exercise करेंगे? Exercise 2, not from book. I am giving certain questions. So you please write in this all practice exercise you have to write in your English grammar copy. Okay? Have you learned the rules of comparison of adjectives? There are 3 types of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative. In comparative you will write the word er and in superlative the and est. Okay? Now first question is choose the correct one. First you listen what I am saying. I am sending you notes. In notes all the sentences are given. You listen what I am teaching you. Okay? Choose the correct one. My brother is, मेरा भाई is taller, more taller than me. मेरा भाई मुझसे लंबा है. So what is the comparative degree of tall? Comparative degree of tall is taller, not more taller. Okay, so you will take here this one. Now second one. This way is shorter. This way is shorter, more shorter than the other. यह रास्ता उस रास्ता से short है. Comparison, and so word is short. What is the comparative degree of short? Shorter or more shorter? Shorter. So you will take here shorter. Understood? Now third sentence. This book is expensive, more expensive than others. यह किताब एक्सपेंसिव मीन्स महंगी है. महंगी दूसरी किताब से महंगी है. तो आप एक्सपेंसिव का क्या होगा? मोर एक्सपेंसिव, मच मोर, मोस्ट, बिकॉज इट इज कंपेयरिंग. Expensive is positive, and when we have to compare, you will write more experience, more expensive. Now fourth sentence. This car is cheaper, more cheaper. This car is cheaper, more cheaper than any other car in the gallery. यह कार गैलरी में जितने भी कार है उससे ज्यादा सस्ती. कंपैरिजन. सो द वर्ड इज चीप. चीप का कंपैरेटिव क्या होगा? मोर चीपर. टेक हियर मोर चीपर. नाउ लास्ट इज रीडिंग बुक्स इज better or good than watching television. Reading books is better or good than watching television. Reading books is better than watching television. Word is good. The comparative, what will be the comparative of good? Good, better, best. So your answer will be better. Understood? Now the second question is, Fill in the blanks with appropriate comparative or superlative form. What you have to do in the sentence, after completing the sentence, one word is given, you have to write either it is comparative or superlative. First example is Chennai is dash than Bangalore. Word is hot. First you see word than is given means it is comparative. So the comparative of hot is hotter. You should learn बेटा कि सबके जो words रहते हैं उसको आपको comparative superlative के जो rules which I have taught you earlier, you have to learn that rules. Okay? क्योंकि इसमें जो T है वो double हो गया है. Now second one. I earn dash money than you. I earn dash money than you. The word is much. But here than is written means comparative. The comparative degree of much is more. More money. Understood? Now third sentence. This is good than that. This is dash than that. Word is good. Then, so you good का comparative degree क्या होगा? Good, better, best. So you will write your better than that. अगर आपको ये words के अगर comparative superlative याद रहेगा तो आप easily बना लोगे. Okay? Now, last fourth one is Mount Everest is the dash peak in the world. Word is high. Mount Everest कैसा peak है पूरे world में? High. But here the word is given, so you will write your highest. What you will write here? Highest. Understood? Now, fifth sentence is Rani is dash than Rama. Rani क्या है? Rama से ज़्यादा है. Comparison. The word is pretty. What is the word? Pretty. So the comparative degree of pretty will be prettier. P-R-E-T-T-Y. Instead of Y, you will write here I-E-R. Prettier than Rama. Ram is the dash boy in the class. The. And the word is smart. If the is written, so you will write the smartest boy. Understood? आपको सिर्फ देखना है then लिखा है कि नहीं, the लिखा है. If then is written, you will write comparative. If the is written, you will write superlative. EST. Okay? Now, last one. Shivani is dash than her sister. Shivani is dash than her sister. Okay? And the word is tall. What you have to see in the sentence? Then. Then है मतलब आपको क्या करना है इसका? Comparative लिखना है बेटा. So what is the comparative of tall? You will write your taller, tallest. Okay? Understood? Please try to write all the words, all the sentences which I have explained you, and these you have to write in your copy. In next class, I will do practice exercise 3, and I will also give you assignment means homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.